And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 100-watt PD quick charging station. This has 4 fast charging ports and it's up to 100 watts of power. Nothing really around the sides, and just a couple of photos here of the station on the back. So let's open this on up. Got a few pieces of tape here to cut. Slide this on out. What else we got in here? There we go. That's it for the box. So we have a nice little product guide here. And it kind of gives you a little bit of the power distribution. So the very top USB port will pull 100 watts of power. That'd be perfect for like a laptop or something like that. Also, the second USB port will do the same. The 2 USB-A ports by themselves will pull 22.5 watts. And then a little breakdown of if you had double port output. So the top one would get 65 watts while the second USB-C would get 30 watts, or vice versa. So they give you all the information here that you would need. Of course, if you have everything plugged in at once, your 2 USB-As are going to get 4.5 amps a piece, and the 2 USB-Cs will get a 45 watt and a 30 watt. Definitely some power here to be thrown around if you need to charge multiple devices at once. This would be great for somebody with like a MacBook and an iPhone, etc. They got to charge them all at the same time. So inside of this should just be the power cable. Yep, that's it for that. Another little, this is like warranty guide. And then the included power cable with a nice little cable tie there. And they even include a nice USB-C cable. Very nice. And then this is the stand for the charge station. And inside of here is the charging station. Look at that. Got nice rubber feet on the bottom, so you could lay it this way. Nice little 100-watt logo there. Whoa, and that even had info. So yeah, max output's 100 watts for mobile phone. For mobile phone, maximum output's 25.5 watts. I love that it gives all this info because a lot of people would buy one of these and truly not understand how all 4 of these ports work. So I like that they had that info on the sticker. They have that info in the product overview. And so somebody should be able to look through that and know exactly how much power they'd be able to get to their devices. So this plugs in right here in the back and then just plugs into your regular power outlet, and all 4 of these outlets can work simultaneously. Of course, giving them different power in each one. You do have a nice little stand, so you could set it vertically if you want to set it vertically. If not, there's feet on the bottom. Put it flat like that. Totally up to you. In the end, a very, very nice device. Perfect for somebody who has multiple devices, laptops, iPads, iPhones, Apple Watches. You could literally plug in your laptop, your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and something else, all with this one device, and have them all charging. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.